Hi everyone, what are you doing for Easter? I hope that it will be one that is reflective and meaningful for you. I am here trying to do a makeover on a centerpiece that I've used in the past. So if you notice that I just add a bit of food coloring to it because I didn't have any green moss. And I will proceed to make the centerpiece. You can see all the products that I'm using: the rose, the cross, the fishbowl. I specifically chose this centerpiece because when my family and I gather at the table, we can't help but think about the work that Christ did on the cross for us. I understand that death on the cross in that time was the most humiliating way to die, but yet he endured to the end so that you and I can get to spend eternity with him. That's amazing. I want to be able to give him thanks for what he has done. Sometimes it's hard to grasp the extent of the work that he did. But when we think about the consequences of sin and know that now we are no longer bound and that he has conquered death and the grave, that's more than enough to be grateful for. So do continue to watch the video and see how it unfolds, and I hope that it will inspire you in case you haven't decided on what you'll be using, if any at all.